Hello there. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to schedule a meeting on FreeConferenceCall.com. So, on Google search, type in FreeConferenceCall.com, and this should come up. And then you type in your email address. And then you create your password. And click on create my free account. Unfortunately, I could only sign up with United States number because there wasn't any option for my country. But anyways, that's fine. The most important thing is the information to be in English, which is quite useful. So I can then click on host a meeting. By the way, if you would like to download the app, you can just click here, and if you have already the link to a meeting that was probably scheduled already, you can click here to just join. And if you would like to invite people, you can invite them by clicking here. Let's quickly explore on what is here. Okay, under setting, so you find information, general information about your account and your time zone. I believe you can change it, and that's interesting. Let me see if I can find my country. No, my country is not here. Namibia. Okay. Nevertheless, okay, so there was a country in the time zone. Okay, that's good also. That's still the same with my country, Central Africa. Yeah, let me choose that. Okay, can write your name here. Aone Dengu. Okay, if you would like the verification sent to you via email, you can click the English, USA only. Okay, that's fine too. And okay, just more information here that you can add if you'd like to. Entry and exit tones. It says in and off, on and off, non-sub color. Okay, if you want the recording to be on. So you basically fill in information as required or as you wish. Otherwise, you just leave some of those things. And if you would like to log out, you just click there. Right, let's save the changes that I just made. Save changes. And we go on top here, online meeting, and we can click on host meeting because we want to do that. We don't have any link to join a meeting yet. Alright, you see my information. So interesting, they put this. It's not really my address, but presume I can change it. Okay, click on host online meeting, and then it asks open, save, and download. This is probably going to take some time, but let's see. Try to run. So we downloaded the app, and I have to go to the desktop and click on the app. And it should give me more options. Okay, let's see, host. Right, and click on join with computer audio. Alright, let's see, continue.
And thank you for choosing FreeConferenceCall.com. You're helping people around the world communicate for free. You are the only participant in the conference.
Right, as you can see here, you have a microphone. You can switch on and off the camera, and then you can also invite people, and you can share your screen. Once you click on start sharing this, so you will choose here what you would like to share. That is on your desktop or on your Google Chrome, and you can just click on. You can click there if you want the application, or if you want to preview. And we have the recording button, and then you see the number of attendees. At this moment it's only me, and then the chat for the participants. If you would like to also attach a file, you can click with the emoji. And leave the meeting. Preferences. This is what is under preferences: general, profile, audio, video, advanced, and updates. And then the languages also you can choose, and then you can also add your information there. Let's see. I think this is just the same information that we saw the other time. Yep. See audio. Okay, so yeah, there you see. This is really just a matter of exploring and see what is under each, each features. So if you want to update, you just click on that and then it updates automatically. Yep. So that's it. Thanks again for watching.